we are going to build a traffic light with a buzzer, like the real one, that when you press the button for the pedestrians, it's going to buzz with the red light. I mean, with the red light for the cars. So if you build this circuit from the previous tutorial, so remember that we build this circuit from the point of view of the cars. So the red line is going to be green all the time to allow the cars to pass. So if a pedestrian reaches the crossing point and push the button, it will go into yellow and then red. So it will go red for as long as you want, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So the idea is to add a buzzer for the pedestrians. It's the same as the real life. So what we can do now is to search here buzzer. So it will a buzzer, a piezoelectric buzzer, it will appear here. So just place it in the right place. Be sure it's not connected to this circuit, okay? So put it apart or aside of this circuit, and it should have their own like column. So here the positive is going to one of the digital outputs, let's say number 6 in the Arduino. So pin 6 in the Arduino, and I'm going to put it as red. And the other one is going to the ground. So I just want to use the other ground just to let you know that you can use this ground on the board. All right. So basically, you be sure you put this right wiring and the right pieces on the right place, like here, away from the push button. And then you can go ahead and do the code. So for the code, so you should have this code from the previous videos. If you don't have this, you have to go back and check the other videos, the other tutorials, and you can reach this point. So basically, we are going to modify these instructions. I'm just going to delete and do it again. So from the previous videos, in this instruction in here, we'll turn on the red light for 5 seconds, because this repeats this instruction 5 times for 1 second. That does mean 5 seconds. So I'm going to add the code for the buzzer in this part. So basically, I'm going to output set pin that will be 6, say 6 to high. Then we wait 1 second. Then set pin 6 to low. And wait for 1 second. All right, so basically we turn on the red light, then we switch on the buzzer for 1 second and switch off the buzzer for 1 second. So remember with this instruction, we read just the status of the push button, and let's see what happened. So green light for cars. And then the buzzer is buzzing. All right. Okay, so what I want you to do now as an extension, as a challenge for you to see how much you have learned, I want you to build a traffic light for pedestrians and a traffic light for cars. So you already have the traffic light for cars. So basically you need to do the same lights, but for the pedestrian. And they should work together in harmony. Like if the green light is on for the cars, there should be the red light on for pedestrians. And vice versa. If red light is for cars, then the green light should be on for pedestrians. All right. So this is the challenge for today, and please let me know if you have any questions.